Have you ever wondered why some people live longer than others? What's the foundation of their long, vibrant lives? Well, there are regions around the world where people consistently live to be over 100 years old, without the need for expensive treatments or special diets. What's their secret? Today, we'll uncover the lifestyle habits of the world's longest living people. Stick around as we explore the practices that contribute to their health and longevity. The Blue Zones. There are places around the world known as Blue Zones, where people live longer, healthier lives. These regions include Okinawa in Japan, Sardinia in Italy, and Nicoya in Costa Rica, Icaria in Greece, and Loma Linda in California. But what makes these places so unique? Let's start with Okinawa. Here, people enjoy a lifestyle centered on community and purpose. The Okinawan word ikigai refers to a reason for living, a deep sense of purpose that keeps people engaged and active well into their 90s and beyond. Studies show that having a strong sense of purpose can actually reduce the risk of early death by as much as 20%. But it's not just about purpose. Diet plays a crucial role. The Okinawan diet is rich in vegetables, soy, and whole grains, with small portions that help maintain a healthy weight. Eating less while still getting all the nutrients is linked to longevity. Healthy eating habits. Take a look at Sardinia, Italy. The Sardinians are renowned for their longevity, and one of the pillars of their healthy lives is their diet. It's based on whole grains, beans, vegetables, and a generous amount of olive oil. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants like polyphenols that protect the body's cells from damage. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. In fact, studies have shown that people who consume more olive oil tend to live longer and enjoy better health. Along with olive oil, the Mediterranean diet includes omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. These healthy fats support brain function, reduce inflammation, and protect the heart. Physical activity and social connections. Physical activity is another cornerstone of longevity in these regions. But it's not about intense workouts or gym memberships. In Blue Zones, people stay active through simple, everyday activities, walking, gardening, and engaging in community life. In fact, walking regularly, whether it's strolling to the market or walking with friends, can significantly improve heart health and boost lifespan. Speaking of connections, strong social bonds are key. In Blue Zones, people are surrounded by family and friends. Socializing not only boosts mental health, but it also lowers the risk of diseases like dementia. People here report feeling happier and more connected, which directly impacts their overall health. Mental and emotional health. Living in the moment and managing stress is essential for longevity. In regions like Nicoya, Costa Rica, people prioritize relaxation and enjoying life. They spend time with loved ones, take naps, and find joy in simple moments. Research shows that stress reduction is vital for preventing chronic illness and slowing aging. It's not just about relaxing, it's also about thinking positively. The people of Nicoya practice gratitude and optimism, and studies have found that these positive outlooks contribute to longer, healthier lives. Sleep and rest. Sleep is another vital element of longevity. People in Blue Zones typically sleep between 7 to 9 hours each night. Sleep is essential for physical recovery, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. During sleep, the body restores itself, and not getting enough can significantly impact your health. Studies have shown that people who consistently get enough sleep are at lower risk for heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. So don't underestimate the importance of a good night's sleep. Bringing it all together. These longevity practices aren't just for people living in far-off places. They're simple habits that anyone can adopt. Whether it's eating a healthier diet, staying active, nurturing your social bonds, or getting better sleep, the foundation of longevity is balance. So what about you? What small change can you make today to live a longer, healthier life? Maybe it's taking a walk, reaching out to a friend, or getting a little more sleep tonight? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you plan to embrace these habits.